All right, so I used about half a bag of our Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chips into our mason jars. I'm going in next with a 1/4 cup of our hot cocoa mix from Swiss Miss. And I'm just gonna be placing that into our mason jar right over our yummy chocolate chips, just like so. You could also feel free to do a white chocolate chip, a dark chocolate. You could even do peppermint for the holidays. But this milk chocolate and hot cocoa mix is delicious. Beautiful. And it's okay if you don't get the exact amount. A little more will never hurt. All right, now that we have our hot cocoa mix in, I'm going in with our mini jet puffed marshmallows, and I'm placing those right on top of our hot cocoa mix. Look at how darling that is. The layers are exactly how we want them. And I'm just eyeballing our marshmallows just to make sure that those are nice and full for our hot cocoa in a jar. Oh my gosh, so cute. But we are not done yet. We're just pack those in. All right, we cannot forget our holiday sprinkles for our hot cocoa. Add a little color, a little texture, another layer. Oh my gosh, how adorable. All right, we are almost done. We are going to cover our mason jars, and we are going to add a little bit of character to our hot cocoa jars. All right, we are going to make our little cocoa mason jars a little more festive. I have just here a little brown pipe cleaner, and we are just wrapping that around the top of our mason jar with a little simple twist, just like so. I'm next going in with my little red cotton ball and our hot glue gun. And we're gonna put a little glue on there just to pizzazz this little guy up. I'm just gonna go right on in and glue that right in the center of our mason jar. You can also use regular glue, but I feel like with crafts, the hot glue gun works best. I'm going in next with our googly eyes and our hot glue gun. I don't know if we can see where this is going, but once we get the eyes on there, you'll be able to see. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute. Okay, one more eye, and then we'll go in with the rest of our mason jars. This is gonna be a super cute, fun little gift for the kids or a stocking stuffer. And look at how cute that is. It's our little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer hot cocoa jar. All right, now that we have our hot cocoa Rudolph reindeers, I'm gonna be placing them right onto our little display with our little mistletoe and our cranberries, and we are ready to serve up our Christmas hot cocoa to all of our guests. And look at how darling they are.